What's going on, guys? This is the first implementation of our particle program! Particle simulation. One day we want to be able to grab one of the particles and move it around. On the screen, in the program, on the screen. Not out here in real life. On the screen. That'll be the program upgrade, one of our developments. This is a Python project for beginner and advanced users alike. Replace the avril71.jpg with your own picture file. Pause the video, look at the code, copy the code. Study the code. This program is meant for developments, upgrading, and improving. Modifying too. Use it to your liking. All right. This is the command to run it. I called mine particle program .py. .py means it's a Python file, and the name is particle program. That's why the command is this. This should help you out. That's the full program. It's to give you an understanding. One day we hope to give it even more normal physics, so the circles move left and right too. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Particle program. Particle physics program. See you guys next time.